Hello and welcome to the work solutions for practice test set 3 paper 2H, week 12. We're giving these out in. It's a calculator paper, so please make sure you're using it. And I always say if you start a calculator paper, reset your calculator by pressing shift 9, I'll say reset or clear. You want to press number 3 equals AC. Okay. Question 1, work out the value of x, give your answer correct to one decimal place. So we've got a right angle triangle, I'm thinking trigonometry, SOHCAHTOA. So I'm just going to label my sides that matter which are in place. So I've got this one here, which is adjacent to my angle I'm trying to find out, and I've got this one here which is opposite right angle, so it's hypotenuse. So I'm going to look for A and H, so I'm going to write out cosine x equals A over H and put my values in. 8.3 over 9.5. Now if I did that in a calculator, it tells me it's that there's no way that angle there is less than 1 degree. So I need to find out what x is, not cosine x. So x is, we use that inverse cos to the minus 1 in your calculator. If I do that now, so shift, cos, I try and type it exactly as I see it. 29.1 degrees to one decimal place. Whatever you type in your calculator, make sure you write it down as well. I could have easily typed those numbers in wrong. Question number 2. On July 1st, Jack invested, so the key word there is compound interest. So an investment of 5%, that's going to be increasing by 5% each time. So whatever we get, we're adding 5% on. So this is increasing by 5%. So £2,000. That's how much I'll have in 2005 on the 1st July, and then in 2006 I'll times that investment again by an increase of 5%. So I get 2,000 times 1.05 squared. Oh, it's a calculator paper, just remembering to write everything on your calculator and on your paper. £2,205. Okay, that's the next question. 4 marks. If you put no reasons down, you can only get 2 marks. It's your reasons which are important here. We've got to find out the size of angle x. Don't ever leave questions blank. Put down as much information as possible. So we've got an isosceles triangle, BCD and ACE. Straight lines, so that's good. Straight line. DC 7. Work out the size of angle marked x, give reasons for your answer. So start again, use this angle notation. If I want to work out this angle here, I'm going to put it on my diagram. That's 67 degrees, so that's angle BCA equals 67. And I need to put that reason. So these are vertically opposite. Angles are equal. Vertically opposite comes from vertices where they're meeting at a point. So this is 67 degrees. Well, what else do I know? Well, if this is an isosceles triangle, these two sides are equal, means these two angles are equal, so that's 67 as well. So again, CBA this time, 67 degrees. Angles in isosceles triangle are equal. Well, that's more in terms with the equal lengths, so the bottom of the equal lengths equal at the end of equal sides. Just want the examiner to know I know what I'm talking about. And the last one, I've got to find the x, so I'm going to call that just x. and that is equal to 180 take away 67, 46 degrees, and angles in a triangle sum to 180. So 2 marks for getting that, and 2 marks for my reasons. Okay, thank you.